So today we're gonna interview some student from ECF about the basic bandaging and the CPR. So let's welcome her.
Hi everyone! My name is Dina C. Kumayas and I'm student from ECF.
Okay, let's start with basic bandaging by asking her some questions. For the first question, for you, Ninya, what is the purpose of a bandage?
For me, the purpose of applying bandage is to protect a wound, stop bleeding, or support an injury part.
Okay, for the second question, what are the different types of bandage and their uses?
The different types of bandages and their uses, also we have three kind of bandages. First, we have roller bandages. Second, triangular bandages and tubular bandages. But first, let me discuss the roller bandages. Roller bandages are holds, dressing, or supports, and the triangular bandages is used for slings or splints. And the third, tubular bandages is gives compression or holds, dressing, or finger toes.
Okay, for the third question, are you ready?
No, I'm not. I'm a little bit nervous.
Okay, for the third question, why is proper hygiene important before applying a bandage?
For me, we're gonna use proper hygiene to prevent infection and the wounding.
Okay, and for the fourth question, how can you learn basic bandaging help you assist others in emergencies?
For me, learning bandages is it help us give first aid and save lives in emergencies.
Okay, for the last question about the basic bandaging, how does this knowledge relate to your role as an STP student?
For me, as an NSTP student, it teach us to care to others and be ready to help in times of need.
Okay, so wait for the part 2. Bye!